Halo, selamat pagi semua. Kali ini kita akan membahas tentang food dan menu knowledge. Yang mana materi kali ini yaitu tentang snack menu. Snack menu berupa pizza, sandwich, dan burger. And what is snack? Snack is a small service of food and generally eaten between meals. Snacks come in variety of form including packaged snack food and other processed food, as well as items made from fresh ingredients at home. A sandwich is a food typically consisting of vegetable, sliced cheese, or meat placed on or between slices of bread, or more generally any dish, wherein bread served as container or wrapper for another food type. Pizza is a savory dish of Italian origin consisting of usually round, flattened base of leavened wheat based dough topped with tomato, cheese, and often various other ingredients, and then baked at high temperature, traditionally in wood fire oven. A small pizza is sometimes called pizzetta. A hamburger is a sandwich consisting of one or more cooked patty of ground meat, usually beef, placed inside sliced bread, roll, or bun. The patty may be pan-fried, grilled, smoked, or flame broiled. And here are a sample of the menu Hawaiian pizza. As you can see, the ingredient as below. A sandwich is a food typically consisting of vegetables, sliced cheese or meat, placed on between slices of bread, or more generally any dish wherein bread served as container or wrap for another food type. Here are examples like club sandwich. And here sample of hamburger, the recipe. Okay, and what is a sandwich? A sandwich is a food consisting of vegetable, sliced cheese or meat placed on between slices of bread. The sandwich began as portable finger food in the Western world. Thus, over time, it has become prevalent worldwide. Sandwiches are popular type for lunch food taken to work, school, or picnic. The famous sandwich, American club sandwich, Reuben sandwich, hamburger, hot dog, crow mansure, banh mi, burritos, tuna sandwich, egg sandwich, etc. And the concept of sandwich creation. There must be good quality ingredient, delicious taste, attractive color combination. The texture must melt in the mouth. Assembly can happen in advance or a la minute, depend on the desired outcome. The size of sandwich can small as hors d'oeuvre or large as entree. Can be served hot or cold. Can be open face or closed sandwich. The filling can be wrapped or between sliced bread. 4 components of the sandwich must be used in sandwich creation. And sandwich in food safety, you must wash your hand often. Sandwich whether hot or cold, present dangerous environment for the spread of foodborne illness. High protein, pre-cooked food, mayonnaise, and butter, along with variety of hand contact, created food safety challenge. Produce sandwich under the most stringent condition. Sandwich presentation. Presentation is very important for sandwich service. Assembly of sandwich should be conducted in an efficient and tough manner. Consider quality and presentation. And here are 4 components of sandwich. You have sandwich bread, sandwich spread, sandwich filling, and sandwich dishes. First, sandwich bread. Criteria: must be firm and thick enough to hold a filling, not too thick sandwich is dry. Keep sliced bread covered to prevent dry. Toast immediately before sandwich assembly. And type of bread: can use Pullman loaf, from white bread, whole wheat bread, rye bread, etc. Pigeon style: pumpernickel, sourdough, boiled, croissant, etc. Roll: hard roll, soft roll, Kaiser roll, bun, etc. Or flat bread: focaccia, pita, ciabatta, tortilla, etc. Wrapper: rice paper, egg roll wrapper, tortilla, etc. And here are example of rye bread, white bread, and whole wheat bread. Here soft roll, Kaiser roll, and hard roll. And here egg roll wrapper, rice paper, and tortilla flour. Second, sandwich spread. Criteria: moisture barrier, prevent the bread from getting soggy. Hold a sandwich together. Add flavor and richness. Add moisture and help hold sandwich together. Some filling includes spread in filling mixture. In example, ham salad, no need to then add spread. Flavor butter or mayonnaise base, spreadable cheese, tahini, jam, and condiment. And variety type of spread base: butter spread with flavor of lemon, herb, anchovy, caviar, mustard or radish, pimento, blue cheese, shrimp, olive, shallot or scallion, curry, capper, etc. Dairy product spread such as ricotta, cream cheese, Greek yogurt, cheese sauce, mascarpone cheese, feta cheese, etc. Mayonnaise spread such as blue cheese dressing, Thousand Island, honey mustard dressing. Meat and fish spread such as tuna spread, roasted beef spread, etc. Here are kind of spread. Third, sandwich filling. Criteria: meat should be proper cooked, vegetable properly clean and dry. The filling should determine how all the other elements of the sandwich are selected and prepared. Type of filling: vegetable, radish, slice, olive, pickle, capper, pimento, pickle onion, lettuce, sliced tomato, onion, asparagus, cucumber, cherry tomato, watercress, leaf, marinate mushroom, sprout, etc. Meat: roast beef, braised beef, steamed chicken, roast chicken, smoked beef, grilled chicken, smoked turkey, etc. Fish or shellfish: smoked oyster, oyster clam, smoked salmon, smoked trout, pickled herring, shrimp, anchovy, caviar, salmon or tuna, crab meat, lobster or sliced sardine. Cured meat: bresaola, pastrami, pepperoni, prosciutto, bacon, ham, sausage, smoked salmon. Egg and cheese: boiled egg, fried egg, omelette, scramble, Swiss cheese, cheddar cheese, feta cheese, fresh mozzarella. Here are sample of with cured meat with egg and vegetable. 4. Sandwich side dish. Criteria: should be fresh. Type of side dish: green salad, or side dish salad. Can be potato salad, pasta salad, or coleslaw. Sliced fried vegetable and green. Pickle spread for olive. Dip, spread dressing or relish. Sliced fruit, french fries, potato, or potato dishes, potato wedges, french fries, roast potato. Condiment, tomato ketchup, chili sauce, mustard dressing. Here are sample of side dish sandwich, french fries, vegetable, and pickle. Okay, now the American club sandwich. Club sandwich or club sandwich house in America. Ingredient: lettuce, sliced tomato, bacon, fried egg, roast turkey or chicken. Type of bread: toasted slice, white bread or sandwich, spread mayonnaise. Served french fries, potato, and coleslaw. Second, hamburger. A hamburger or burger sandwich consisting of grilled patty, cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle. Ingredient: lettuce, tomato, sliced raw onion or saute, sliced gherkin, and as additional ingredients such as cheese, fried egg, or bacon. Type of bread: hamburger bun. Served with french fries, coleslaw, and condiments such as tomato, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. Third, hot dog. The hot dog is sausage sandwich where the sausage served with a slit of partially sliced bun. Ingredient: grilled steamed sausage and mustard. Additional ingredients: saute onion, gherkin, and lettuce. Type of bread: hot dog bun. Served with french fries, relish, coleslaw, condiments such as mustard, tomato, ketchup, mayonnaise, and cheese sauce. Reuben sandwich. Reuben sandwich in American grill sandwich. Ingredient: corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut. Spread Russian dressing consists mayonnaise, tomato ketchup, horseradish, Worcestershire sauce, paprika, freshly ground black pepper, salt or kosher salt. Type of bread: rye bread. Served with potato chip, french fries, and coleslaw salad. Here are hot dog and Reuben sandwich sample. 5. Croque monsieur, France. Croque monsieur is grilled baked sandwich made with ham and cheese. Ingredient: butter, ham, cheese, and shredded Gruyere cheese as topping. Whipped with egg, dipping, bread grilling, pan frying. Type of bread: sliced white bread or brioche bread. Served as snack or breakfast dish. Croque madame, France. Croque madame is croque monsieur with poached or lightly fried egg on top. Served as snack or breakfast dish. 7. Banh mi, Vietnam. Vietnam baguette with often split lengthwise and filled with various savory ingredients at sandwich and served as several meals. Plain banh mi also eaten as staple food. Ingredient: typically consists one or more meat such as chicken, beef, pork, example. Additional ingredients accompanying vegetable typically include fresh cucumber slice, cilantro, and pickle and carrot. Daikon, shredded or julienne. Type of bread: Vietnam baguette. Served with spicy chili sauce, sliced chili ketchup, and mayonnaise. Popular dish: banh mi chicken, banh mi vegetable, banh mi fried egg, banh mi ice cream sandwich, and banh mi sardine sandwich. Mexican burritos. Burritos wrap sandwich with flour tortilla. The tortilla, sometimes lightly grilled, steam, often make it more pliable and allow it to adhere to itself when wrapped. The main ingredient: meat and bean or refried bean. Type of bread: flour tortilla. Condiment: additional shredded American cheddar cheese sauce, avocado, lettuce, guacamole, salsa cruda. Here are banh mi and burritos. Oke, itu adalah contoh beberapa menu snack dari sandwich. Dan setelah ini silakan menjawab kuis.